उसने सबके सामने राज उगल दिया. He blurted out the secret. He blurted out the secret. बच्चे जल्दी सीख जाते हैं. The kids are quick to catch on. The kids are quick to catch on. वो सब गलत निकला. That came out all wrong. That came out all wrong. बस उसके आते ही मेरा गला ना सूख जाए. I just hope I don't dry up as soon as she comes. I just hope I don't dry up as soon as she comes. वह उसको समझने की कोशिश कर रही थी. She was trying to get across him. She was trying to get across him. हम इस समस्या का समाधान कैसे करें? How do we get around this problem? How do we get around this problem? मैं अपना विचार रखना चाहता हूँ. I want to put across my idea. I want to put across my idea. लोगों ने उसे चुप करा दिया. The crowd shouted him down. The crowd shouted him down. हमें सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, जोर से बोलो. We can't hear you, speak up. We can't hear you, speak up. मैं पहले अपने घर वालों से बात करूँगा. I would like to talk it over with my family first. I would like to talk it over with my family first.